How hard could this be? He said.
2 buckets and we'll clog your entire network up. So make sure you do this right. Make sure you know what goes in and what comes out. If you screwed up a pattern and need to re-encode it, simply put it back.
Wait, sorry, what?
What's up, everybody? This is Ingram. I'm one of the Minecrafters.
What's up, everybody? I love that. Hit F5 twice.
Going to talk finally about AE2.
What's up, guys?
Woo woo! AUTOCRAFTING.
Hell yeah.
This episode originally had myself and Captain Jack in it, and then when we were
long intro.
There's a lot of different ways we could do this, but the basic idea is that we're going to have patterns.
Michael, use AutoCrafters with import/export buzzes for an ME redstone emitter. Yeah, I need to figure out export in general, so I'm going to watch this, figure out how to do it.
And those patterns are going to be crafted by that multi-block structure way down the end there, which is actually going to be our crafting CPU. But we're going to teach you how to put all this stuff together and how to do everything. The 2 most important things at the start here are this thing called the ME pattern terminal, which allows us to encode patterns with recipes. And this thing actually
Dude, I cannot fucking wait to make 15 things that need 15 more things to make them, and those things need fucking 100 more things to make that.
That's what's actually going to get encoded. Now, the pattern terminal is basically just like a regular crafting grid, except instead of getting an output, you can actually encode that recipe into one of the...
Also, do you guys know about quantum quarries? I know Toast had a quantum quarry, and I don't, like... Are those, like, efficient? I was thinking about getting one of those just for diamonds. Did they give you, what, like, infinite diamonds? They're bad. Builders are better. Quantum quarries, they're super easy. Void miner. Oh, there's a void miner, too. 20k RF a tick. Wow, that's a lot. One sec, I'm gonna take a really quick break from this and check how much RF a tick my reactor's producing. So give me 1 second. Oh, I need so much more power for that. Holy shit. Wait. Yeah, I need... What is the fucking power output? Oh, right, it's not on. Well, whatever. I'll see you later. Just don't do it. Alright. Here we go. Anyway, let's go back to... I want to figure out auto-crafting either way.
I'll actually get a pattern for the recipe. And anything that works in a normal crafting grid is able to be encoded in here. When we're doing some more advanced system design, when we're doing some crazy stuff, or when we're pumping into machines that are not part of applied energistics, we're going to need this thing called a processing pattern. And you just toggle this little guy right here, put your pattern back in there, get your little processing grid open, and you can basically put whatever you want in here. You can say 10 redstone will output 1 destabilized redstone bucket. If you're doing a system that melts it down and then turns it into a bucket, you need to be very, very explicit. This has to be exactly the right amount. If you say that you picture in this little output slot here, change the recipe, and you hold shift, you see what the pattern actually creates. It also works outside.
That's not ME. Wait, what? Wait, this is not an ME. It looks like an ME. This is applied energistic.
If you need to clear the pattern that's in there, just hold shift and then click with the pattern in your hand, and it will revert to a blank pattern. Once you have your encoded pattern, you're going to need something to put it in. The best thing to do is to stick it in an interface, and that interface should be attached to a molecular assembler. If you remember from Applied Energistics 1, there's this thing called a molecular assembler chamber. That's gone. It's a lot different, which is probably why you're watching this tutorial video. The ME assembler is just a regular block that you can craft that doesn't really do much. It can take a pattern, and it can take some speed upgrades, but other than that, it's not very useful. Which is why they invented the ME interface. There's probably another reason.
What the fuck is that?
In this episode.
I just want to make TNT automatically, bro. That's all I fucking wanted.
Pattern slot here, which accepts if my math is right. I'm doing quick 9 patterns, and you can just put an encoded pattern right in there.
Michael, what is your end goal? Well, right now, I want auto-crafting. Well, okay, I want auto-crafting for a lot of things. Right now, like, ostensible right now goals are I want to turn this gunpowder and this sand into TNT really fast and then transport it to the turtles. But also, balls are sticky hair. I can't agree more than help but agree with you on that one. But I want to figure out how to do this, and then I do, like, my, you know, like, auto-crafting. I want to do this for me, the auto-crafting, and then figure out auto-crafting for the TNT as well. Piss cup here. My 2000 Q advice and try modded. Modded Skyrim now? I don't know if I'm there yet.
It says these patterns. Let me get rid of this rubbish. Those things are all now.
Okay. AE2 auto crafting tutorial. There's no way. This guy isn't telling me how to
there,
build fucking
what goes-
anything.
Whenever you're going to want to take one of these that's been accelerated, go back over here, give me a hundo doors,
He's
fire
just...
that junk up, and now you can see this is going quite a bit faster. Dun, dun, dun.
That one
If
is
you need to
correct. Do I need, like... Do I need to sit and watch this other tutorial?
cancel something that's been running, go back into any terminal.
I just
click
want to
status,
carpet bomb shit with
grab
turtles,
that job,
dude.
and cancel
I
it.
really...
Another thing
really
the
do.
crafting status window is going to show you is the progress of the job itself. So as we're looking at it, things that are in yellow have been scheduled. That is, in order to make this door,
Dude, isn't the other crafting system
we need
faster?
wood, oakwood planks, and we don't have enough oakwood planks. So the thing actively being crafted is going to be in green.
Don't use AE2 for TNT. It's dependent on how many you ask it to make, not just making it on an infinite loop. I feel like TNT, the RF Tools one is faster for TNT, but I want to make this one for me, like, just like to make things, you know, in general. And then, because I already know how to do the AE2,
Green.
sorry, the RF Tools one.
Stuff is being used for is going to be in yellow. And then if it for some reason runs...
Now you probably need to watch number 2. Okay.
All right, everybody.
Oh, I learned how to build a nuclear reactor from this guy. Nice.
In there, and what this...
Okay, so I fucking part 1, right. AE2 part fucking... Just gonna go... Part... Shit. Part 2, not auto-crafting. And then that... There we go. There it is. Okay.
What's up, everybody? This is...
What's up, everybody? I can't wait to watch the intro.
ME glass cable, and that's the most basic, and these are all fluics here. The next one is ME cover cable. The next one is smart cable, followed by dense cable. Now, Ender IO also adds in 2 different types of cabling into the game, and the benefit of Ender IO is that you can combine it with other cables, which is fantastic. So the first one here...
Oh, I do have Ender IO conduits. I did make those. I think someone mentioned that I should.
Conduit?
Not sure if you're aware, but all turtle computers run on a single thread, meaning if you have a bunch of them, they will execute their code slower and slower. Functions like sleeping and dig yield to other computers. You'll have to work around
And
this.
the second one.
Oh, that's good to know. I really don't care. It can eat the world in a fucking second. It can eat the world in a fucking in 1 year. I don't care how fast it goes.
Is ME dense?
I just want it to happen. Andre's probably gonna think of it. 5-month reset, essentially for the 6 month. Give him the 66 for the prime.
Conduit. Now, what is the difference between all?
For the 5 months, Great Nick for the 4 months, Edge, Ender K for the 6 month, 42 Lux for the 6 month. I really fucking don't remember how
These
to
pipes,
read
well,
names. I'm
this
gonna
regular
need a
glass
second
ME cable can carry up
to
to 8
figure out
channels
how
as
to
well as the
string
ME
it.
cover cable, as well as the ME smart cable. However, if you mouse over the ME smart cable, you'll notice that it says 0.
This is actually like the only time I ever read is probably like Twitch chat and
8 channels. And that's because it will actually
subscriptions.
show you physically, which we'll see in a second.
Why
how
didn't you stream for a while? I fucking
many channels are
moved.
being used, and it will tell you when you hover
I had
over
to
it.
set
The
up
dense
the
cable can
entire
carry up to 30.
garage. Holy shit, the entire garage was disgusting. They're just boxes everywhere. Fucking horrible.
2 channels, and it will also physically show you how many channels are being used. It's important to note that ME conduit can carry up 8 channels, the same as
Who's a prime target for carpet bombing? First, I want to do a test village, and then probably toast old village. Thank you, Misha, for the sub. Probably toast's village.
ME glass covered or smart cable, and the ME dense conduit can also carry 32 channels, just like the regular AE2 conduit. Now, we won't really go into very much depth on this, but there are 17 total colors of these cables. That's including the fluics. Okay, there's 16 colors plus fluics is 17. The color cables will connect to the fluics. So they are
we know
here. They
cables.
will connect. So this is going to be really useful.
What
know
allow you to do
right.
is create a very special type of multi-part block, which can accept any block in the middle.
Whoa.
And what it'll allow you to do is create a...
Other fluix
Whoa,
cable, but if I
calm
place
the
2
fuck
adjacent
down,
to each other
calm
here,
down.
they will connect. So this is going to be really useful when you're
Okay.
like subnetting and networking in very tight spaces, and you
Yeah,
don't
of course,
want
when I'm
two
subnetting,
cables
yeah.
to touch.
That's true.
Cable anchors can also be used pieces of cable.
Right,
These things are smart enough to know that if, for example, you are trying to route a piece of cabling through them, they will automatically open up a hole, so you don't have to worry about the facade cutting off.
What? And the red and green.
I'm not gonna
networks
worry about
have
that.
Power
We don't
because
worry
they're coming
about
off
that
the
at
controller
all.
here, which we'll be talking about in a second. If I place a quartz fiber here, and then connect it with a cable, what it will do is it will transfer the power that's coming from this controller to this network while not actually connecting the Cyan network to the other 2 networks, green and red.
Here already. One of the things, these things called, which is what come in, and there's the top of an ME chest. It just lets you have access to the items.
I
that are
have
inside your
that.
network. The crafting terminal takes it a step farther to allow you to use the things in your network. For example, a
Okay.
piece of oakwood.
I have that. Okay, I have that one.
You can actually use it.
Dude, I
and-
want to. Every time I watch an AE2 tutorial, I'm like, or before I start, I'm like, yeah, I can't wait to do this fun thing. And then I start it, and I want to
do
like
crafting
tear
recipes
up.
directly with the materials that are in our network. And the next level of that, of course, is going to
I
be
just
the pattern
wanna
terminal, which
cry
we'll talk about in more in episode
thinking
3,
about how
which allows
I'm
you to do
gonna figure this
auto-crafting and
out.
build different patterns. So we can say put 2 oak wood planks here. Those yield 4 sticks, and we can
The tutorial is useless. The part 3 tutorial had everything you
encode a
needed.
pattern with that.
He made
that
other
will allow
shit
us
here,
to is if you
right?
right-click does is it
Okay, I'll watch a little further, and then if I like get stuck somewhere, we'll
these
go back.
patterns will be used in this
But like, I
assembly.
don't know what the
And
fuck
now
he's
if we look
doing
in our
here.
ME network, those things are now craftable. There they go, and they're being crafted down here. What? If you don't like waiting forever, you're going to want to take one of these ME assemblers and slap some acceleration cards in it while you're at it. When we're in the storage unit, so we're going to have to re-record, and
What the fuck?
anything that works in a normal craft, when we're pumping
Okay,
recipes,
so
like a regular crafting
ME
grid, except it's a
terminal
thing called
pattern.
ME pattern.
Okay, so I need a pattern terminal. Is what I'm figuring it out. Is what I'm figuring. What I am learning. Bro, thank you for the resub. Finally made it to a stream. Hey, yes, I haven't streamed in a long time, so. Ugh, it's nice to play Minecraft again. Alright, when are you gonna play Valorant again? I've actually been playing Valorant in my time between like setting the garage up and my computer and shit. It's super fucking fun. I've been playing a lot, honestly. You can have a terminal on each side of the cable. Yeah, I just want them both facing me though. So, yeah. Okay, now I have this terminal. No idea how to use it. So we're gonna go back to this
Terminal, which
fine
allows us
gentleman.
to encode patterns with recipes.
That's what it does.
And this thing actually called the blank pattern.
And this thing called the blank pattern, which I fucking assume, because it's applied energistics, is going to take 10 hours to craft. So I'm going to look up blank pattern. Wait. Blank pattern. That looks like it. You need that shit, right? Oh, wow, I have that. How long does... How many quartz glass? I think I'm low on quartz glass. Crazy, I am low on quartz glass. Ooh. You know what? I can just make a bunch of these. Fuck it. Oh, I should say it up here. Pattern. Blank pattern. Add it. I'll make like, I don't know, like fucking 8 of these, I guess. Every ME interface with an assembler cluster needs 1 pattern to craft the item. Yeah, I don't know what that means, man. Hate to break it to you, I have no fucking idea what you're talking about or what I'm doing.
And that's what's actually going to get encoded.
Right.
Now, the pattern terminal is basically just like a regular crafting grid, except instead of being an output, you can actually encode that recipe into one of these little pattern guys here. So if I hit encode pattern, I'll actually get a pattern for the recipe. And
oh, cool. So if I went like, okay, so test it out, right? I'd put my blank patterns in here. They may as well just live in there forever. And then I went and looked for some gunpowder and some sand. We're just gonna do this as... Or actually, maybe just like... I won't do gunpowder, actually. We can do the TNT with the other thing. Computer. It'd be nice to be able to make computers fast. Optimos. Thank you for the $20 donut. Going to bed? No, see you in the morning. No, you will not be seeing me in the morning. I've actually... My sleep schedule is a little bit better, actually. It's not that bad now. So stone... I'm gonna take this and just take these for the pattern terminal. So it's that, or maybe it's the other way around. Yeah, okay. So now I encode this pattern, and that's an encoded pattern. And it's that fucking easy? No 10-hour stream? No. It's not a 10-hour stream. Piss cup guy here. In my last tunnel, I gave you the solution. There's look. Alright, let me go find that. Guess you'll have to take my 200 IQ advice on Skyrim now. Was that? Oh, wait, no. I was right about Piss cup. I was right about modded Minecraft. Once we give you more weapons, I say that right. More enemies. More map area to explore more Skyrim. Listen, man. I don't know if I'm fucking there with Skyrim. Skyrim's like this sanctity. You know, in my head. It's like this fucking sacred thing to me that I've only ever played in vanilla. But honestly, I might still try. See, okay, let me explain actually the difference between modded Skyrim and the difference between modded Minecraft. Maybe organize tools or something like cool toolkit. Oh no, I'm not using. Oh, for that, I'm not never gonna fucking use one of these. One of these like giant like tool racks that you see. I'm just not a fan of. I'm just not a fan of those. Like, I feel like your tools just are all put in the shelves. I don't have enough tools where I need one of those, really. I like having them on a shelf where I can just see all of them and just grab one really fast. Yeah. Make me an exact copy of someone else's casino card with the same name and balance to get around the system. Yeah, I assume you could. I feel like there's no way to get around that, right? Same name, same balance. Also, well, I think you could. I'm afraid that I would just like fuck someone else's balance, and then they would have their like thousands of diamonds would have no would just get just voided. Imagine Ryan wakes up, gets on Minecraft, he has 3,600 diamonds in the system, all fucking lost overnight. He has no idea what happened. Pillow full of stars in the prime, and Docker for the prime. Rob Otto. Santa is a dummy card. Santa is a dummy card. Really? No, fuck. Okay. I will do that eventually. I don't want to get sidetracked from my ME system. It happens too often. Oh, also, I was explaining the difference between modded Minecraft and modded Skyrim. The difference is, with unmodded Minecraft, I like, you can play for maybe, like, I don't know, like, a week of intense gaming in normal vanilla Minecraft, and you like, you're in the end game. You know, you finish fucking everything. I can enchant everything. I'm done. But in Skyrim, there's always something new to do in Skyrim. Even in vanilla Skyrim, there's a new fucking cave to explore. There's a new mountain to just walk across and look at. There's more flowers to collect, you know? But I might someday try it anyway. If it has the same effect, like, between that vanilla and modded Minecraft did, that would be amazing.
Anything that works in a normal crafting grid, into machines that are not part of applied energistics, we're going to need this thing called a processing pattern. And you just toggle this little guy right here, put your pattern back in there, get your little processing grid open, and you can basically put whatever you want in here. You can say 10 redstone will output 1 destabilized redstone bucket. If you're doing a system that melts it down and then turns it into a bucket, you need to be very, very explicit. This has to be exactly the right amount. If you say that you put 10 redstone in and you get 2 buckets out, and that's a lie, then the system will wait forever for 2 buckets and will clog your entire network up. So make sure you do this right. Make sure you know what goes in and what comes out. If you screwed up a pattern and need to re-encode it, simply put it back in this little output slot here, change the recipe, and hit encode pattern again, and you will get...
Wait, make encoding? Wait, that's if you need to process an item in a machine.
Your pattern re-encode.
Okay.
If you have a pattern in your inventory and you hold
so what if I just want to do like
see what the pattern actually
I just want to do like
works outside
stupid craft
of your inventory.
Like just
if you
simple
need to clear the pattern that's in there, just hold shift and then click. With the 2 is to stick it in an ME interface, and that interface should be attached to a molecular assembler. If you remember
okay. Whoa.
One.
Whoa, okay. Huge fucking pause there. All right.
There's this thing is to stick it in an ME
interface. Right. So let me just take a break for 10 hours from the video. I'm going to not even remember where I was. We're going to come back to it later, right? ME interface. Right. Oh, that's easy as shit. Okay, nice. ME interface. Oh, I have an ME interface. Don't know why. Fucking, well, whatever. And I also need a molecular assembler. Oh, that's easy as shit.
Think about it.
Bro, I can make oh wait, that's actually so cheap. That wasn't like an issue at all. Okay, nice. I assume these have to just like connect to the ME controller somehow, some way. So like, I don't know, what would I do? Just like fucking do one of these and block my computer for just a moment. So I'll break that really quick. So I'll do this, and then this. And... Man, okay, fucking okay, that's something, right? Do it on top? Oh, well, does it need to be near a molecular assembler? On top of it. I mean, so that's right? That's right. Okay. I hope that's right. So then we go back to the that was so fucking easy. You guys remember the first time I was making an ME controller? I'd play 5 seconds of the tutorial.
The interface and that interface.
Fucking pause it. Never shit. I don't know, it fell. Never see the tutorial again. 4 hours go by. I haven't seen the tutorial. I haven't tabbed back into it.
Interface should be attached to a molecular assembler. If you remember from Applied Energistics 1, there's this thing called a molecular assembler chamber. That's gone. It's a lot different, which is probably why you're watching this tutorial video. The ME assembler is just a regular block that you can... Which is why the ME interface has this nifty little... There's probably another reason, but that's the only one it's going to get credit for in this episode. The ME interface has this nifty little pattern slot here, which accepts, if my math is right, I'm doing it quick, 9 patterns. And you can just put an encoded pattern right in there. And what this does is it says these patterns will be used in this assembler. And now if we look in our network, those things are now craftable. Let me get rid of this. Will be used in this assembler. And now if we look in our network, those things are...
Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Wait, okay. On top of the cable... Wait. On top of the ME cables, you brain dead or rock. Fuck you, man. I'm doing it this way, baby. Because the molecular assemble needs to be below the ME interface? Or can it just be above? Like, can I just... Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Oh, here. Like, could I just do this? Do that, and then, like that? That works, right? Maybe that works. Let's check. Doesn't matter. Oh, okay. It can be anywhere on the network. Oh! Okay. Sick. So I'll take this. I'll put that there. And now I can go into here and I can look up computer. Oh! Click it. I want a whole... Give me a whole 10. And then, what, hit next? Missing. Fuck! Okay. That's fine. Right. Glass. I need glass. Of which I have some. Oh, wait, you can just... Wait, what am I doing? You can just assemble it, make it yourself. Glass pane, baby. I'll throw it back into the network. Boom. Boom, glass panes for fucking days. Okay, nice. Encode a pattern to auto do glass panes. Wait, it's kind of annoying you have to make a pattern for fucking everything. I guess you don't have too many things in general that you want to autocraft, right? So if I want to make a computer, I click computer. And then I go next, right? If I want, let's say I want to do 10. I go next. So what is this? Is it going? What the fuck? Where are my computers? Crafting CPU. Right. Of course. I'm sorry, guys. Sorry, we forgot the crafting CPU.
Now,
I knew that. I knew I need to have that.
Those things are all now craftable by our ME network.
That's just...
give me some doors and give me 10 of them.
Just tiny brain. Just fucking me. Yeah, me. The addict brain kicking in. Forgot I needed a crafting CPU.
There they go. And they're being crafted down here.
Right.
So slap 6 molecular assemblers. I don't want to take...
What the fuck is a crafting?
Maybe use 9 patterns.
What the fuck is a crafting CPU?
And you can just put an encoded pattern network. Those things are now craftable. Let me get rid of this. We're up too fast. Give me some crafted down here. What?
Yo, he should just
If you don't like waiting forever, you're going to want to take one of these ME assemblers and slap 9 patterns.
Where is this? I guess I just have to put a crafting CPU somewhere on the network, is what I'm just going to fucking guess. CPU. Crafting CPU. Wait. What? Dude, that doesn't look right. Oh, processor. Crafting processor. Hey, operating for that. 749 bits. Crafting co-processing unit. Crafting co-processing unit? What? Come on, Michael, I'm the piss cup guy. You gotta love the piss cup guy. I guess you got a point there. Wait. Crafting Unity. Wait, you need to press start. You don't need a CPU. You don't need a CPU. Okay, here's the thing. If I do that, and I hit 10, and I go next. Oh. No crafting CPUs are available. So I'm gonna assume I need a crafting CPU, right? Crafting CPU. Okay, crafting CPU. It scares me because that's not the same mod. You need crafting storage? 1K crafting storage. What's the fucking difference? Oh, it's a co-processing unit. Why doesn't this
The ME interface has this nifty little
bastard
this
have
are
it in
now
his
craftable.
tutorial?
I went too fast. 9 patterns. And hit.
Does he show it
some more
earlier?
advanced, and you can make a pattern. Just little. Waiting for killer summers.
Okay.
This terminal is the progress of the
Crafting CPU,
Java.
automatic.
So
Okay,
wood,
well.
oak wood plank. And then if it for some reason runs out of something, it will tell us that it doesn't have enough. Oh, it pulled them all in, but will actually show up here. And we're trying to craft things that you submit through your ME network is going to take a certain amount of complexity, a certain amount of space, a certain amount of time, a certain amount of materials,
Okay,
and those things get translated into bytes. Now, at the very core of your network, you're going to have this thing called a crafting CPU, which is quite a bit different than the giant molecular assembly chamber that we saw in Applied Logistics 1. And the very base level of your crafting CPU is a storage unit. Now, this
Got
is
it.
1K
Okay,
crafting
fuck,
storage,
thank
which
you.
allows us to go up to 1024 bytes used. And if we run out of that, which we absolutely will, it's thing storage, which
Crafting storage. I'm gonna just turn my brain off. I'm an assembly worker. I'm in Henry Ford's assembly line in his factories, just going step by step. I don't want to understand the entirety. I'm just a fucking assembly line man. Oh, why is this here? Okay. So I need a storage. One of these guys. I would like to make maybe like this one. Storage components. Oh, I can make that. Man, I know that. I know these. We know these. This crafting unit. We know crafting unit. Oh, I need more glass cables. ME glass cables. I need quartz fiber for that. I should just make more of these now. You know it to be true. Okay. Nice. Okay. Just slap them back in there. Do that. Dude, I can make a whole fucking bunch of these. I need like, what, 12? Sorry, what? Did I run out of logic processors? No fucking way. I ran out of logic processors. Holy shit. How much gold do I have? Okay, at least I have some gold. You know what? I got some gold here. That's good. Slap it in the chest. Turn. Well, take that. Turn this back on. So this is. Wait, red. Red for output, right? So we're outputting there. We're smelting there. I'm putting this stuff in there. Okay. I need gold for the logic guy. JFN dog. I think it's 6 months. QI had 420 for the 2 months. You need a rectangular prism co-processing unit. Fuck. Why is it so confusing, dude? The crafting card is failing to craft. So I don't understand how the crafting card works. ME interface or the ME export bus to request autocraft. Oh wait. So I think would you put the crafting card in here? Is that where you put it? You just fucking slap it in here and what, it'll auto import? No. Okay. Nope. No, an export bus. But then what do you put the export bus into a molecular assembler? Like where does the export bus go into, you know? Crafting card stores a pattern and put the card in an export bus. Export bus will export into an inventory, so into a chest. Export to a chest. Okay. So like for now let's just make like a random chest. You know what? We can just use a little oak chest. So if I want it, what if I just, you know what? We're gonna put it right there. And I'm gonna do this. And I'm gonna do that. And I'm gonna do this. Export bus. So this goes... What, there?
Think about it.
And then right-click like this, and then no channels. You gotta put the export bus. It just increases whitelisted items. Put a crafting card into it. Okay. Crafting card. Hello? Crafting card. Okay, crafting card. Oh, basic card. Easy enough. You know what? I should just make like a few of these. And just throw them into there. And then boom, you have a crafting. What? Oh, I need these. Or work. Can I just... Where's my workbench? No. Just a normal workbench, buddy. Crafting table. Just like a normal crafting table. You know what? I will just... You know what? 64 of those. Fuck it. And we'll do a crafting card. Crafting card. Boom. Easy. I'm good at this game. Okay, so now I'm gonna put a crafting card into there. Crafting baby. Let's start to... Oh wait, I need to like somehow add a pattern to the crafting card, right? Yes or no? Filter TNT now? Boing. No. Okay. Poggers. So what the fuck is this? I just put TNT in the bus. Oh. TNT. TNT into the bus like this? Why can't I? Oh, I did. Okay. So here's the thing. Needs an interface. Question. Do you have any advice to learn coding? How to learn Python? Needs an interface. What does that mean? Don't just say things. Explain it. Take the card out. It doesn't work on chests. Oh, wait. Oh, look. It's going. Just extremely slow.
Think about it.
Shit, just put an acceleration card in there and what does it speed it up? Why is this so fucking oh, wait. Oh, it's faster now. Oh, it's much faster now. So let me just make a couple more acceleration cards. Yeah. Let me just, yeah. Wait. Oh yeah. Let me. Boom. Just throw those in there. One. Oh, I accidentally made 6. Fucking whatever. So if I put these back in here, and then go in. Oh, holy shit! Oh no! This good chat, good. Yes. Wait, it's not crafting, just removing from the system? Fuck! You know what? That would make sense if it were just doing that. So then fucking I don't wait, it's crafting? Is it crafting or just extracting? Because it makes sense if it were just extracting as well. It's crafting. People are dumb. Sounds good. That's good. You know what? That is literally good enough for me, man.